নমস্কার এবং শুভ বিজয়া। আশা করি আপনাদের পুজো ভালো কেটেছে। ছোটদের অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা এবং বড়দের প্রণাম। আবার আমরা স্টার্ট করছি আমাদের ইউটিউব ভিডিওসগুলো আফটার আ শর্ট পুজো ব্রেক। So today we have reopened from 14th today October. Sundays now onwards it will be closed, and today will be a beautiful episode on printed products, printed items, printed georgettes, printed chanderis and many more. So watch the video, 650th video today. So I'll start with the chanderi floral print, very sober color, soft pastel shade with a woven border. The sari has a floral print in digital and zari work highlight throughout the sari, ending the print part. And this is the blouse piece. This is the sari. Now what I was saying about the print with work, see, it's highlighted with zari embroidery throughout the floral design. And this is a very pretty antique zari subtle border, very lightweight and sober. Number 1, soft pure chanderis. 2 color options I can give you. This is the onion shade, fuchsia color. Pretty soft shade, and here is the achol part, number 2. Here is the blouse piece. As you know, all our prices are mentioned. The product code is also going in the screen, so see the video before booking. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030 42696 is the WhatsApp booking number. First come first serve basis. After payment we confirm your booking. Shipping will be done in 2 to 3 working days. So all those who have not been able to pick up your blouses, stitching, etc. before pujo, so we can contact the tailoring unit for your deliveries. We have started taking orders for blouses and suits again, so you can contact the department. Also you can visit both the branches for measurements, or virtual measurements are also possible. 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, 2 branches in Kolkata. This is the blouse piece. So better not to make a blouse with this. You can wear a nice silk or a silver color blouse. This is a very pretty soft pink color shade. This blouse is also nice. You can make this because it's difficult to get this color, but it's a very sober. I'll explain the sari to you. It's a very fine tissue woven silk chanderi with a tissue chanderi with paisley woven border in zari. The zari color is silver and a soft mauvish pink color. Range wise, it's a very sober piece and very lightweight. Second color option, this grayish green color. Borders remain the same, only the body color combination block print changes. One side paisley border, upper side will have the narrow sleek border, and here is the blouse piece. Just have to open the stitch for the blouse. So I would suggest you make the blouse in this also, because it's a good fabric. You just have to give astar. Sleeveless blouse will also look very nice with this. So range wise, it's a very rich looking sari and little different. This is also a lovely shade. This is more of a aqua color, greenish blue, very pretty shade. So trying to show a bit of budget friendly lightweight saris, so that for Diwali also you can gift this if you are gifting and want to gift anybody, and then specially for the wedding season. Pastel color, fine tissue chanderi, zari weave. So 4 pretty color options, and here is the mustard color. Beautiful piece. The print color is mustard, the base color is a chandon color. Creamish, very pretty. This is actually the body color. उसके ऊपर ये जो print देख रहे हैं, ये वाला digitally printing हुआ है, and of course the woven border is already there. Very smart lightweight saris. For evening wear, day wear, anytime you can wear this. So I'll show some nice chanderi chicken work with floral digital print in the lower border. Now the sari is already woven with a zari border, and here in the lower part we have this very smart print done. Geometric pattern, very smart print, which matches the blouse piece print, and the body has machine chicken work all over. So 4 4.5 के अंदर जो saris मांग रहे हैं with work, lightweight, these are a good option. These are chanderi printing with zari border and a premium quality chanderi with chicken work, all over thread work. Here is the blue shade of the same sari. Base color remains the same, the border color changes. Printing part. Blouse piece. Apurbo sharita. This is a very fine tissue linen. Tissue means it won't have that much of shine, but it has very fine lines of zari woven in the sari. And this has been printed, digital printing with Kudoria work outlined throughout the block. Very nice floral printed linen sari with a beautiful blouse piece. So here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece back, the sleeves all is with work and print, and the sari colors are very pretty and comfortable as well. बहुत different type का sari है. Range wise also, because it has a nice border in this, the sleek temple printed border and pallu. Very pretty shades, and see how the shading is going. Here the shade will be, see थोड़ा सा dual tone look आ रहा है. Very smart piece. देखिए deep to light, upper part में deep purplish color, and then it is going little smoky purple. तो आपको यहाँ से थोड़ा सा दिखाई देगा कि ये थोड़ा सा शेडेड पैटर्न है, और उसके ऊपर बहुत खूबसूरत फ्लोरल प्रिंटिंग करके डोरिया वर्क हुआ है, और इसके साथ आपका फुल मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस जो ये स्लीव्स में आएगा और बैक पार्ट ऑफ द ब्लाउज में भी आपका ये पैटर्न आएगा. देखिए ब्लाउज का पूरा पैटर्न किया हुआ है एंड वेरी स्मार्ट शेड्स. This is a rustish color. Actually, this one will be on your yoke part. This is how the sari will come. And then the deep rust to light rust shading is coming and the blouse piece. Now I'll show you some very soft semi-Dupion silk saris. It has a satin finish, semi-mushroom. You can see it's a very soft satin finish semi-silk sari with a woven satin border. Very rich looking because it's white color with kalamkari outline, pen kalamkari outline block, not paint. Whatever we say, we deliver. No hide and seek, prices mentioned, details announced. So you are sure what you are seeing, you will get that. With the blouse piece. Semi-silk satin finish with outline kalamkari print. Very smart looking sari basically. Color option is this coffee color. So this the print is little less. दोनों border में border हुआ है. It's this print is kind of a Madhubani print. जो कचनी का work होता है in single color, but this is not painting. This is block printed. Coffee color border. So range wise थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का साड़ी लेना हो तो ये वाला आप देख सकते हैं. ये एपिसोड में आपको रेंज वाइज बहुत वैरायटी मिल जाएगा. Now moving on to pure Munga Tussar sari in a lovely print. Very earthy, very dreamy colors. With the blouse piece. This is pure fabric, hand woven, pure Muga. Very pretty and soft fabric. More options in pure Muga zari border. These are pure Muga Tussar and it has again a full very sober kalamkari print with floral and birds. Both sides zari border and zari print, zari border with printed blouse piece. So if you want the blouses to be stitched, we'll do it for you. First come first serve basis, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, 2 branches in Kolkata. This is a pinkish tone. And these sleek, narrow woven borders, broad border नहीं है, narrow sleek woven border और all over printing. इसे बहुत स्मार्ट पीस है, बहुत स्मार्ट. और इसका ब्लाउज भी देखिए, ब्लाउज में भी बहुत डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ टोन ऑन टोन प्रिंटिंग हुआ है। Our store timing 2C Cornfield Road and Jamil Lane is 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Sundays we are closed. Cash on delivery option in Kolkata only. Watch out our Instagram reels, Instagram videos, Facebook page live, and of course the YouTube. We upload pictures in the WhatsApp status as well as in the stories. You can check out the notifications, the reviews, the pictures. Just have to subscribe to our channel and follow our Facebook page. This pista is lovely. Very pretty shade and the print. Number 18. This is also chicken work in Chanderi, but it is in lovely shaded item. ऊपर से नीचे तक 3 shading हुआ है. The sleek printed border, woven pallu and blouse piece. Very, very pretty sari. Now I'll show the borders and the print and then move on to the blouse piece. See the border part. Zari and resham sleek woven border and यहाँ पे एक प्रिंटिंग हुआ है जो पाइपिंग में प्रिंटिंग हुआ है. साड़ी कलर इज अ लवली शेड ऑफ मिंट ग्रीन. दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट क्रीमिश कलर एंड अ पीच टोन with a mint green blouse piece. It's a very, very smart looking lovely sari in pastel shade. And all over chicken work. Beautiful sari. New concept of shaded chicken and variety of shading we've done. That had 3 color shading. Now this, it has brush shading. So the shading has been done with colors using the brush printing. It's very different concept and the color chart is also very pretty. Very different color chart along with the printed blouse piece. All digital printed blouse piece and border में उसी print का एक पाइपिंग बॉर्डर है, सेल्वेज बॉर्डर जो प्रिंट के साथ है. Very, very beautiful. है ना? It's a pink shade and very pretty shades. Soft, sober colors used. वेडिंग का दिन में आप लोग ये सब बहुत आसानी से, बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये सब कलर्स वेडिंग मॉर्निंग्स में. वाओ, ग्रीन, lemonish and lavender. Again some lovely unique combinations shading with chicken work. Now these kind of shadings are very rare actually. The color chart is very different. Wow. These are pure georgette with digital rich florals like the one that I'm wearing. I had shown these more colors earlier. Each and every piece sold out. So restocked with new prints, new designs in same fabric. This is the blouse piece. Pure georgette prints, digital, borderless sari. all over it will have the same print with a contrast printed blouse. पल्ला में बस थोड़ा सा ये सॉलिड कलर आएगा, बाकी ये बहुत फैशनेबल साड़ी है. इसमें कोई बॉर्डर अलग, पल्लू जलता ही नहीं है. A brown shade with magenta pink, very different combinations I'll show you in these Georgette florals. A cement color with charcoal bluish grey. Just these I received on the day I was just before the puja, but the last day when we were about to close the next day, so couldn't do the video, but I was really looking forward to show these to you, because last time many have given orders, and also many of you were asking for those, but I couldn't because of the heavy rains in Kolkata, we couldn't do the printing. So now we have just received the fresh stock. Very beautiful florals in uncommon print and shade. With matching blouses. Same price. It's aqua blue. So जो जिसको पसंद है, जिसको सॉलिड कलर और बोल्ड फ्लोरल्स पसंद, वो वाला ले सकते हैं, पहले वाला. और जिसको थोड़ा छोटा फ्लावर्स और मल्टी कलर, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी स्मार्ट पीसेस. एंड हियर इज द ब्लाउज पीस. These look very feminine, very chic, very modern, yet they are, the body hugging, and they give a nice shape to the overall body. And wear those, what you say, shapers. With these, the shaper petticoats that you get, the lycra ones, you can go for those. It gives a nice total fall. बहुत सुंदर आता है. कोई common color एक दो लेकर रखिएगा, बहुत because nowadays you wear tissues, you wear these kind of organzas and georgettes. For those shaper petticoats बहुत look ही पूरा change कर देते हैं साड़ी का. This color is lovely, a peachish fudge color. This is kind of a pista, but a mint pista in between color. Beautiful shade. These are so pastel and so fresh, and it looks so nice. In between all जो जरी वरी जो सब पहन कर जाएगा, फिर उसके बीच में अगर आप इस टाइप का एक साड़ी पहन कर जाओ ना, लुक पूरा आपके ऊपर रहेगा. You will grab all the attention with this saree. बट आपको प्रिंटिंग कैसा लग रहा है वो बोलिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत मॉडर्न और डिफरेंट कलर्स, डिफरेंट फ्लोरल्स हमने यूज किया है. इस टाइप ये ब्लॉक देखिए, ब्लाउज में भी एक सेल्फ ब्लॉक दिया है, कोई कलर नहीं दिया है इसके. ये सब बहुत डिफरेंट लुक देता है ओवरऑल पहनने के बाद. Lovely. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Okay, one thing, we can take orders for these because it's done in our printing unit. 2 to 3 weeks time you have to give me. Colors may be 18 to 20 difference. We have the color chart, but in case, thinking of the worst, in case little deep or light may occur, but very rare chance, because we have the total color combination noting down. Usually doesn't happen, but still, I mean, गुस्सा मत होइएगा, उसी वो सोच के ऑर्डर दीजिएगा कि इसका इतना डिमांड रहता है. आई नो दी साड़ीज बहुत डिमांड है इस सब साड़ीज का. This black georgette and ideal for the party season, winter parties, and great. एक ही क्रेप है मेरे पास. दिस इज अ क्रेप, दिस इज नॉट जॉर्जेट, प्रिंटेड क्रेप. ये सब क्रेप्स भी बनने दिया है, लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी रिसीविंग वेरी सून. प्योर क्रेप डिजिटल. Last video of printed crepes and georgettes, each and every piece sold out, so please select from the fresh videos. And the one that I'm wearing, I'm also wearing a pure georgette lavender color digital floral. 7,700. Blouse piece again, similar type, tone on tone floral printed blouse you'll get with this. Tone on tone floral printed blouse. 7,700 is the sari price with the matching blouse piece, tone on tone lavender. The cute neck piece that I'm wearing comes with this eardrop. It's a dark blue shade, blue sapphire, exactly like the diamond designs you see in blue sapphire. 1990. So this is the chain. You will get the chain with this drop. These look very smart, and regular use also you can wear them. For gifting also 1990. And I'll show you more options. These come in these boxes. The green shade is available in this pattern. This price will also be same, 1990. This is also 1990. So the green one, very pretty. You know, you can gift them to young girls also. And this blue shade, see, it comes in the box. 2 earring, and this is the. Actually, I think it will look good in this only. 1990 rupees, all these, and the pretty ones too hanging. Printed georgette with hand embroidered chicken work, shaded. So you get a additional of chicken work in this printed pure georgette with badla. So chicken work, this is, see, it's hand work chicken embroidery with badla shading printed, and with this blouse piece. Price of this is 16,900. We have another georgette floral hand embroidery chicken with the blouse piece work, embroidered blouse. Badla, beautiful florals, smart shade. And handwork. Price 16,900. 2 georgette digital with chicken work and badla and matching blouse. Stunning pieces. Lastly, I'll show a very retro look chinon crepe sari. Very smart Chinon Prep. We'll take orders for this, don't worry. And we make a red in this also. Instead of black comes a red. Same price, very reasonably priced. Chinon Prep with embroidered border and an embroidered blouse. The base color is an off-white color with polka. Usually there are a lot of retro theme parties, even though not for the parties, even though it's a very stylish sari. Sleek zari embroidered border, price 7,990 rupees. 7,990 only, and instead of black we have red also. That's actually while doing the video somebody saw it and she was in a hurry, she bought the sari, so I couldn't show in the video. We have the picture, so if you want we can take order of the red polka instead of the black polka. 7,990 rupees, and hope you like today's episode 650th. Thank you so much.